Okay, welcome back. We just did adding fractions. Now we're going to subtract fractions. It's the same idea, except for we're doing subtraction instead of addition, but you use the same concept with it, okay? This will be work text page 179 and 180, okay? So let's look over here. Now we were adding fractions, now we're subtracting fractions. Let's remember that the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. The bottom number tells you how many a whole is divided into, and the top number is what we're talking about, the parts we're talking about. Remember what I told you, remember that denominator starts with the D. Think of the word down, it's on the bottom, okay? Numerator has like the word number in it, and those numbers are the ones that we are considering and we're talking about. Those are the ones we're going to use to do subtracting with fractions. First rule of thumb before you can ever add or subtract a fraction is the denominators have to be the same. We look at this problem and they are. The denominators are the same, so we just worry about the numbers on the top. 5 minus 3 is 2. We bring the denominator over, so it's 2/7, okay? We can do them horizontally, which is sentence length like this, and then we can do them vertically, up and down. So we can do them sideways or up and down. The same thing is important, that the denominators are the same. And when they are, you just bring the denominator down. And all we have to do is work the numbers, the numerators. So we go from the bottom to the top, remember? So 3 from 5. How much is 5 minus 3? Yes, 2. So we write that on the numerator in our answer. So 5/7 minus 3/7 is 2/7, okay? Now, let's go to the first problem there. They have a little picture for you there. We have something that's divided into 3, so that's our denominator. And we're talking about 2/3 minus 1/3. Well, I remember that I just bring my 3 over here, like this. Okay, I don't even work the 3's. I just bring it over, okay? The denominator's just brought over. The only thing you work is the numerator, the top number. Those numbers are the ones you work. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. That was hard, wasn't it? I hope y'all could do that. Now here we are, we're doing a vertical one. We look at the denominator, the bottom number, which is 5. All I have to do, guys, is make it in my answer the denominator. You see there? The only thing I'm working are the top numbers, the numerators. So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. See how easy this is? This is a very easy concept, isn't it? We'll do some more across the side. Always look to make sure the denominator is the same. You write that down, and then you go 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Okay. We have denominators are the same, 10. And I'm going to go 9 minus 6 is 3, yes. You're so smart. Okay, now let's look at the next one. 15 is the bottom number. They're the same. So we just bring it over in our answer as the denominator. And then we go 11 minus 4. Okay, let's count on our fingers. Oh, okay, we have to. So we start from 4 and we go up to 11. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many is that? 7. Okay. Okay, same thing, we're going up and down. Our denominator's 10. I just write it down. And I work the top numbers. I have 9 and I'm going to take 2 away. So 9 minus 2 is 7, yes. Okay, now something happened here. Let me see, Miss Cartwright, can you believe Miss Cartwright made a mistake? It is recorded. Let's see here.
It can be edited on YouTube, don't worry.
11 over, let's see, 13 over 23. I wanted to get some of these bigger numbers and do them with you. Minus 9 and 23. Because I thought they might scare you. I know how big numbers can scare people. Okay. No, it's the same thing. Big deal, they're big. You just write it down the denominator, 23. And work the top numbers. 9 from 13. Well, you start with the next number from 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many is that? 4. So I'm going to write across here. So my answer is 4/23s. Or, no, it's not. It's 4/23. Remember, we always do it like ordinal numbers, okay? Then we have a really strange number here. Let's see. 11 12s and 4 12s. Okay, there we go. Wouldn't be school if I didn't make a mistake here and there, would it? You wouldn't feel comfortable. That's why I made sure I messed up a little bit. Okay, 4 from 11. Let's count up. If you don't use 4, we go to the next number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many is that? 7. 7 again. Now I'm going to let you guys do the rest of these because you've got that down. I'm not going to work the measurement conversions with you because I did that earlier on the other page. So let's turn over to the back, see what we have. We have some story problems. I'll go over those with you. I'll read them. Mrs. Collins spent $39.27 at the grocery store. I wonder if it was for toilet paper. Okay, let's see. How much change did she get back from $50? Well, how much change did she get back? She spent $39. So we have to think, what did they do? We got to solve this up. So let me erase this real quick. Doesn't take me long. Got a quick hand. We got to remember she started out, she went to the store with $50. Okay, so we're going to let that be what we start out with. That's how much she has in all, $50. Now I'm going to write $50 up here, so don't forget to do this in your workspace. She went and she bought $39.27 worth of toilet paper, okay? $39.27. There you go. And they want to know how much did she what? Did she get back? So we got to subtract, okay? So how much change did she get back from $50? So the only way you can find that out is subtract, isn't it? Because this is our total, and then this is how much we spent, and we need to know the difference, don't we? So we cannot take 7 from 0, and they can't borrow until we get to the 5. So I make this a 4, and the buddy gets 10. You have to work your way down, guys, okay? And make sure you mark it or you're going to mess up because math is an exact science and you don't want to mess up. Okay, so we make this 10, make this a 9, and then we have 10 again. Okay, 7 from 10 is, if you can't subtract, 8, 9, 10, 3. Guys, math isn't right unless it's accurate. If you don't have these in your head, count them on your fingers if you have to. Okay, 2 from 9. We've got to go up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. Then we're going to take 9 from 9. Well, that doesn't leave anything, does it? 0. And then 3 from 4 is 1. Now remember, when you're talking about money, your answer's got to be in money, doesn't it? Okay, so we have $10.73 in change, okay? I don't know if it didn't put a label on that one. Okay, so not much left.